Hi guys, we are going to study today Ionic, how to develop Ionic hybrid mobile app. Let me start. So first we want to download the Node.js. You can download the recommended one, then install your PC. So Node.js command prompt. If you install this, it will come in like that. So then uh, then you can create your folder, or you can create your app C drive. My app. So I enter the folder name cd my app. So first you want to do another things there. So once I install this Node.js, it will come in like this. And after that, you will install the Ionic uh, Ionic software on your PC. So there are some showing some code there. You can paste that code on there, then it will be installed. So how installation with CLI. So first you code copy this and cost and copy and this code and paste it here. Then it will be run. So after that you can create your app. Then you can run on your app on the uh, the Ionic app on your screen. So now I am going to copy this thing on this command. So just I copy it from here to here, then paste it. I won't enter my folder cd slash my app. It will go in my folder. My folder is here. So I'm going to go into the folder, inside the folder. Then after that I will again go to there. Then I will type it Ionic start my. They put the system hello app. Then you can see here put some tab like similar like that. Tab 1 is, you can see like tab, so you can get the blank. So it is, if you type here to and enter, it will be show something on here. So what exactly you want. You already Ionic directory. Do you want to start a with this project? Yes. So you want Ionic 4? I don't want Ionic 4, then no. Then it will ask which type of app you're going to develop, the tab type of blanco, slide menu, or super, or tutorial wise AWS. So I just click on the blank, so enter it, then it will be great. Still processing. So it will take a little time so for the installation.